Rwan, tydi camerau Sgorio erioed wedi bod yma Machynlleth o'r blaen, ond pnawn mae hynny'n newid wrth i'r tîm sy'n chwarae pêl-droed yn y bedwaredd haen groesawu Prestatyn, cyn deiliad Cwpan Cymru yn rownd gynta'r gystadleuaeth. Richie, as manager, am I right in thinking there hasn't been much sleep this week maybe? Tell me, how's it been?
Yeah, you're definitely right. There hasn't been much sleep at all. These games don't get much bigger, especially with a team like used to play in the Welsh Premier and obviously won this cup 10 years ago. It's just huge for us.
What would it mean to you to beat Prestatyn today?
Can I tell you that after 90 minutes?
I am a busy man. I've got 5 children at home and a wife. Dedicate all my time to them, but I do try and make time down here at Machynlleth Football Club. Mark the pitch, make sure it's nice and tidy around here. Yeah, and this afternoon I'll be trying to stop Prestatyn from scoring goals. This season itself is my 20th season. Really enjoy a Saturday with football. There's been a few games over the years that we played with Cymru Alliance teams. We've had Penryn Core, Gilsfield, just to name a couple. But this is probably the biggest home game that we've had for a long time.
Mae 'na buzz o gwmpas y lle heddiw yma, yn does?
Oes, mae'n gêm anferth I clwb fel ni. Dyn ni'n gael teams fel Prestatyn yma'n aml iawn, so mae'n briliant i'w dwi. Mae'r tîm yn gyfan yn lleol, os neb o ffwrdd yn chwarae ni. A da ni'n talu neb, mae pawb yn just y chwarae i'r dre, really. Os neb really yn gweld faint o waith sy'n mynd mewn in all the scenes, just I cadw'r lle yma. Ond sgynna ni committee there, a well, long may it continue, really.
Oeddech chi'n arfer chwarae pêl-droed?
Y gol.
Y gol oeddech chi?
Braidd y fyr o'n i.
I like your t-shirt, that looks like it's been especially made.
Oh, thank you very much. This is for my YouTube channel that I do for locals here in Machynlleth. I love watching the lads play and they appreciate what I do for the club.
Brilliant, and I think we've just missed something. We haven't missed the goal, have we? Be fysa fo'n golygu tasa Mach yn mynd drwodd i'r rownd nesaf?
Fi'n golygu lot I Mach I gyd, fi'n ni'n gyd yn hapus iawn.
Wel, croesi fesur.
O'n i yn tir 3 llynedd, ond o'n i'n gael y committee dewis, o'n i'n cwmpal arall. Dyn ni'n colli rai chwaraewyr, dyn ni angen tîm ifanc yma, so dyn ni eisiau just cychwyn eto. So take a step, put back, take a step forward. So dwi'n meddwl edrych fel clwb ar un o bryd. So dyna lle dyn ni.
Oedd hynny'n benderfyniad anodd I wneud?
Oedd o'n penderfyniad anodd. Sef fi di licio ni aros fyny a just trio weld ffordd dyn ni'n wneud. Ond oedd y chwaraewyr ddim yn hapus, dwi'n gallu colli o lot o sgôr bob wythnos. So dwi'n meddwl cwmpl lawr un lefel a wedyn cychwyn eto. A falle dyn ni mewn cwmpl o flynyddoedd. Mae'n bonus I ni be bynnag sy'n digwydd heddiw, gen ni torf dda yma, a jyst gobeithio allwn ni gael canlyniad, ond gewn ni weld. Dyn ni gyd yn lleol, dyn ni gyd yn byw yn yr ardal a dyn ni gyd yn caru'r clwb. So fel fi ffordd yn dwi wedi chwarae dros 800 o gemau i'r tîm. A dwi dal yn signed on am 42 years, ond falle gyda tam fach gormod o fol wan I chwarae.
TJ, not the result you were hoping for in the end, but, you know, fair play, some of those saves.
I know, it's one of them games, really. Just sort of trying my best and disappointed with the 3 goals, the silly goals, really. Not the best finishes with them, but we worked hard and really put a good shift in, to be fair. All the young lads, the players missing as well. It was a good day, really, all round.
O war yn neud y canlyniad oeddech chi'n gobeithio amdano fan y diwedd pnawn ma?
Na, ddim yn y diwedd. Ar y boys nhw, dweud y gwir. 3-0 ddim yn embarrassing o gwbl. Beth yw'r gobaith o fan hyn i'r clwb yma? Promotion, really. Nôl I tier 3. Fi'n o'n season anodd, dwi'n meddwl. Mae couple o boys I dod nôl, so yeah, onwards and upwards, really.
A beth am y nifer oedd yma'n gwylio pnawn ma?
Da ni'n cael cefnogaeth dda iawn gan y dre, a long may it continue.
Gret, diolch yn fawr iawn a phoblogi chi o hyn allan.
Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl.